content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses, and about 50 to 60 vehicles arriving every week. Right now you're looking at a 2012 Land Rover Range Rover supercharged with 86,000 miles. We purchased this vehicle with freshwater flood damage. This is our initial assessment of the vehicle. So far I don't see any signs of corrosion or rust from water. All I see is normal signs of wear. Check the oils before I open the hood. Everything's clean. The unit starts right up. Zoom out a little bit, do a quick walk around. Headlights are clean, no signs of water there. Fog lights are clean, no signs of water in there, all good signs. Really nice clean truck for a 2012. Mileage is good. It's over 10 years old, so mileage is very low. Take a quick look inside. Nice interiors, in good shape. You got the rear infotainment. Leather is in good shape. I don't see any signs of water in the interior. If it did, very little. Definitely was not deep. Take a look in the front. Seat tracks are clean, no visible water line, all very good signs. Be a nice vehicle for somebody that's looking for a luxury SUV and doesn't want to spend a lot of money. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.